Hello and welcome back to the Dungeon Manual. I'm your host today, and today we're doing an unboxing video again. This time the purple worm of the Fangs and Talons set. And that will complete my Fangs and Talons set. So let's start, shall we? It's a heavy miniature. That's for sure. Oh yeah, oh, the coloring is so nice. Oh yeah, it's very heavy. And pretty flexible. Those miniatures are very great. Very well done. So, as you can see, the mouth, the purple worm, here the earth is very well done, where the worm is coming out of the earth. For example, I got a Durga here, easy fitting in its mouth and can be swallowed. And if you want to see it against a bigger creature, just wait a bit. So I'm back, and that's the size difference, for example, with the adult blue dragon. So the purple worm is a pretty big monster, a CR15 monster with some special abilities. Yeah, and that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Consider subscribing to the channel. Share it with your friends. I appreciate your support and see you the next time. Bye.